First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, work with a cool mind and watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your any Android pin pattern and password lock with your fingerprint sensor and face lock. So hey guys, welcome again in my new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock your Samsung, Realme, Oppo, any Android smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your smartphone is locked due to your forgotten pin pattern and password lock. Okay, so don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end and your smartphone will be unlocked. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, click on the emergency call option on your smartphone and open dialer pad here. After that, enter a code here. This is star hash 24622 star 12155 and hash. Okay, after that you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message will come in your mobile phone screen. So you have to ignore this pop-up to click OK, and you have to repeat the same process for 2 times again. And this step is completed. Now you have to clear this mobile screen here. After that, you have to enter another important message here, yani ki means code here, and this code is star hash 899 and hash here. Okay, and you can see that, my friends, the engineer mode page will come in your mobile screen just like that. Okay, after that you have to find an option which is named manual test option. This is the manual test option. You have to open this manual test option here. After that, go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the side. Okay, after that you can see here total 5 options, and all options are most important here. So you have to work in these options very carefully. So you can find option mainboard version here, and you have to click on this option for 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After that you have to click on the read write important lock test message here. When you click in the click on this message, you have to ask to confirm it or cancel it. But first time you have to click on cancel button here. After that you have to repeat the same process here for once. When you click on the this message, you have to click on the OK button here this time, and you can see that the wrong password has detected on your smartphone. So after that you have to click on the key status option here, and when you click on the key status option, your mobile password has gone to resetting, and you can see that, my friends, your all keys are passed here, means your pin pattern password lock is unlocked here completely. For verification purpose, you have to click on the home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock any Android smartphone at your home. If your mobile is still not unlocked, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.